Hi there. Today I'll be highlighting how to use a screw-on ball tip eye pin bail. This one is 30 millimeters in length and 20 gauge or 0.8 millimeter wire thickness. We'll be making these Halloween fall inspired earrings, and I'll show you how to put that together. First step is we want to unscrew the ball tip end. It is really tiny, so just carefully unscrew it and place it in front of you so not to lose it. We'll then take our beads, and we just want to make sure the beads have a hole larger than the 20 gauge pin wire so that they fit through, but smaller than the ball tip so they don't fall off. We'll then just screw the ball tip back onto the bottom of the pin. Our next step is we'll take these Leverback ear wires and our bent nose pliers and pry open the loop at the bottom of the ear wire. We want to gently do it and then place the eye pin onto the loop, and again gently close and make sure it's straight so that it doesn't fall off. And as easy as that, we have made these Halloween fall Leverback earrings. Thank you for watching.